Welcome back to the channel for all things metal roofing. I'm your host, Audrey, and today we are in Mount Holly, North Carolina, and we're speaking with a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing. Mr. Bailey, how are you doing today?
Doing good.
That's so good to hear. So you recently got a Gator Metal Roof installed on your home.
Right.
What made you choose Gator Metal Roofing?
I was watching the TV one day, and I was impressed.
What did you like about Gator Roofing?
Their prompt service.
Yeah. So, Mr. Bailey, when you called us to schedule your free estimate, what did you think about the people you talked to?
It was very professional. It very impressed me real good.
Yeah. What were some of the features that you liked about a Gator Metal Roof?
The lifetime guarantee.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely. So we do have a lifetime warranty that if something happens, you can just give us a call and we will fix it. But Gator Metal Roofs are durable and they protect your home from the top down. So
Right.
when the toughest storms come, you're guaranteed to be protected.
Right.
So Mr. Bailey, you chose the Hawaiian Blue color. What made you choose that color?
I love blue.
You love blue. Awesome. So did you also see the gallery blue color? Did you have a hard time choosing between gallery blue?
No.
You automatically knew.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, I like that color. And it makes the house look better.
So Mr. Bailey, how long have you had your Gator Metal Roof?
About a month.
About a month.
Yeah. About a month.
When you got your Gator Metal Roof, do you feel like you got a great deal?
Yeah, they gave me a good deal, I think. Compared to the other companies.
Yeah, compared to the other companies, you felt like Gator gave you a better deal.
Yeah, I sure did.
Awesome. And how many other quotes did you get?
Two
Quotes.
others.
And they were both for metal roofing or one for shingles?
No, I didn't want shingles. It was from other metal companies.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what made you want to switch to a metal roof?
I like the lifetime.
Yeah.
I don't want to have to replace it.
Right. The benefits of a metal roof, lifetime
Yeah.
warranty. Well, I thank you so much for your time and thank you for choosing Gator Metal Roofing.
There you go.
Have a great day.
I'm